Good morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 11, ratio and proportion. First of all, we will learn about ratio. Proportion is the second topic. So today I am going to discuss about the ratio. What is ratio, children? Ratio is nothing but, first try to understand what is ratio. Comparing two similar quantities by division is called ratio. What is comparing two similar quantities? For example, like I have two daughters. She got in her FA3 marks 20 on 20 and she got 18 on 20. One girl got 20 marks, one girl got 18 marks. Can I compare? Yes, I can compare. If something is if I want to compare like flowers to some trees, can I compare? No, I cannot compare because it's a different quantities. These two are different quantities. Here marks are same quantities, isn't it? Marks. Here flowers to trees. So these two are not same quantities. So what is ratio? Comparing two similar quantities by division is called ratio. For example, in this we will use as a symbol as this is a ratio. The symbol of ratio is two dots. This is a symbol. In this we have a first quantity. Let us take it as A. Imagine that is A. Ratio second quantity as B. Maybe it is flowers, maybe there are marks, maybe they are student to students. Okay. So the first quantity, these two quantities are called terms. First term, second term. First term is called antecedent and second term is called consequent. So in these two terms, in ratio we have two terms. The first term is called antecedent and the second term is called consequent. In between this is read as is to. Okay. And the fraction form of A ratio B can also be written as A by B. Fine, children. So what is ratio, children? It's a simple definition. Comparing two similar quantities by division is called ratio. What is ratio? Comparing two similar quantities by division is called ratio. In the ratio, the symbol of ratio is two dots. Is read as is to. A and B, these two terms, these two A and B are called terms. The first term is called antecedent and the second term is called consequent. Only this is the explanation of ratio, children. So please go through the video attentively. Here come to the exercise 1.1, children. Here some pictures are given, ma. See the question. What is the question? Complete the following table, first quantity and the second quantity. So what is ratio? Ratio just now I said comparing two similar quantities. Two quantities, first quantity and second quantity, and both should be similar. Similar means same. So here comparing books to books. Yes, can we compare? Books to balls, can we compare? No, we cannot compare. Books to cars, can we compare? No, we cannot compare. Car to cups, can we compare? No, we cannot compare. Cups to butterflies, can we compare? No. But butterflies to butterflies, we can compare. So comparing two same quantities by division is called ratio. So here maths books to maths books. Yes. So what is the first quantity? How many books are there in first quantity, children? 1, 2, 3. 3 ratio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Next is how many balls are there in first quantity, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ratio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Cars. 2:5. So give the dots little carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ratio 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8. Okay, children. 1, 2, 3. 3 butterflies. First quantities. Second quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So in these two quantities, first term is called antecedent and second quantity is called consequent, children. Remember always, what is the definition of ratio, children? Comparing two same quantities by division is called ratio. So I have given the explanation in exercise 1, question number 1 we completed. Go through the video attentively and complete the classwork. And question number 2, take it as a homework, children. Do it as a homework. If you are unable to understand, go through the my PDF notes. Thank you. Number 3, see, children. A milkman adds 250 ml of water to 1 liter of milk. So a milkman adds 250 ml of water to 1 liter of milk. So here 250 ml of water is adding into 1 liter of milk. So both are liquid form, isn't it? So you can compare, isn't it, children? So water 250 ml water to milk 1 liter. So can we compare milliliters to liters, children? Yes, we can compare. How? We convert liters into milliliters. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 250 ml milliliters, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So 250 milliliters of water is adding in the 1000 liters of milk. So now we can compare. What is the ratio? Comparing two similar quantities, milliliters, milliliters. Yes, we can compare two similar quantities by division. So by division 250 divided by 1000. Cancel the 0, cancel the 0. 25 by 100. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, isn't it? So 1 by 4, or you can write this as R0 1:4. Is it fine, children? So steps are there. Quantity of water, quantity of milk. That step I will make you to write in a PDF, children. But this is your explanation part, how to do, how to solve. The question number 2 is telling Satya's mother bought 4 kgs pulses and 50 kgs of chili powder. Satya's mother, she went to market and she brought 4 kgs of pulses and what other thing? 50 grams of chili powder. The first thing is asking you, find the ratio of weight of chili powder to pulses. First, ratio of chili powder to pulses. And second one is asking you ratio of pulses to chili powder. So what is the quantity of pulses, children? 4 kgs and quantity of chili powder 50 grams. But first one is asking you ratio of chili powder to pulses. So what is the chili powder? Chili, how much chili powder is there? 50 grams. 50 grams ratio 4 kgs. So what is the ratio, children? Comparing two similar quantities by division. Is it both are same? No, both are not same. One is in grams, one is in kg. But we can convert 1 kg is equal to how many grams, children? 1000 grams. So we convert 4 kgs into grams. 50 grams ratio 4 kgs is nothing but 4000 grams, isn't it, children? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 4 kgs is equal to 4000 grams. Now both are grams. Now we can compare. Both are same quantities. So division by division. Ratio is nothing but comparing two same quantities by division is called ratio. So cancel the 0, children. 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40, 0. So that is nothing but 1:80. What about the ratio of pulses to chili powder, children? Reverse. 4 kgs of quantity of pulses, 4 kgs. Ratio chili powder is 50 grams. Same children. Both similar, both are not in same quantity. So convert it. 4 kgs is equal to 4000 grams. Ratio 50 grams. Now both are same quantities. Comparing two same quantities by division is called ratio. So divide it children. Cancel the 0, cancel the 0 up and down. 5 ones are 5, 5 80s are 400. So it's nothing but 80 ratio 1. Is it fine children? It's very simple. Third bit, see, Rani take 30 minutes to reach the school from home. Ismail takes half an hour to cover the same distance. Can you do this question children? It's very simple. What is the half an hour? Half an hour is nothing but 30 minutes. So 30 minutes, half an hour is again it is 30 minutes. So 30 minutes ratio 30 minutes. That you will get 1 ratio 1. I have explained you orally. Do it as third bit as a homework children. It is there in the PDF. You can do. Okay. Go through the PDF also. Thank you children.